Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to change extension of file in Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to change extension of file in Windows 10, simply follow my steps. First, go to this PC icon in your desktop. As you can see here in the top, in the upper left corner. Okay, here guys, in the top, click view tab. As you can see, okay, in the view tab, go right and check the box for file name extensions. As you can see, check this box. Okay, this box will be checked. Okay, now as you can see guys, the file name extension appear, as you can see, .doc. So now guys, we can change this extension by right click and select rename. Okay, now we can change this extension to anyone we want. As an example, .txt text file. Okay, yes, as you can see, the file changed to txt file. That's it guys, it's easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.